Hey everybody, I'm back again with another video. This time I want to do a video on the Maxx mod, which is a kit for the Mavic Pro. It seems like a really good deal for people who don't want to modify it on your own, but I wanted to break it down and see if it's cheaper to go with the modifications that is done in this kit on your own directly through Amazon. So I'm going to basically go through all the pricing and then show you guys if this kit is worth it. Anyway, let's get started with the video.
Introducing the first ever Mavic Maxx Mod Kit by Drone World. We've equipped the DJI Mavic Pro with countless upgrades never seen before, including the all-new award-winning remote control system with 3 hot swap antennas. The Maxx Mod Kit has been put to the test across the globe and comes with everything you need to capture stunning visuals with your Mavic Pro. At the pinnacle of this kit sits our highly modified remote control system. Drone World's engineers are the first to upgrade the stock antennas with aftermarket dual helical antennas, the first to allow for a hot swap antenna system, and the first to marry 3 versatile antennas to the Mavic Pro. The HD signal antenna has massive dual helical wires that are matched and tuned to the highest tolerances amongst any manufacturer. We test them inside a state-of-the-art anechoic chamber, resulting in a virtually guaranteed signal. New for 2017 is the Max Range antenna. Set your own records with this antenna built to achieve maximum drone range. Our proprietary blend of linear and circular polarizing technology maximizes distance while still maintaining a strong video feed at close range. Also new this year is the FPV Park antenna, which allows for better close range reception and a full 360 degrees of coverage. This omnidirectional antenna allows the FPV pilot to focus on sport flying without having to worry about where the antenna is pointed. Each antenna connects to the remote through the world's first ever hot swap antenna bracket. Engineered with cooling louvers and a rapid disconnect, this bracket can swap out antennas faster than your drone can fire up. This remote is pre-installed with over a dozen modifications, requires 0 assembly and no setup time. Made and assembled in America, these antennas provide the cleanest reception possible to penetrate through radio interference 4 times better than stock. Drone World also offers the option to upgrade your current Mavic Pro remote with everything you see here. The Drone World Mavic mount is the lightest aluminum device mount on the market. We precision manufacture this mount from 6061 aluminum alloy billet for strength and additional weight savings. It's gold anodized, comes with a super swivel ball mount, and can hold any size tablet or cell phone. Included in the Maxx Mod Kit is Drone World's exclusive commercial-grade Thor supercharging station. With a new monitoring screen, thicker gauge wiring, and a 20,000-hour rated cooling fan, the Thor supercharging station will safely charge 3 batteries and your remote 4 times faster than stock. The L-Series lens filter kit is Drone World's own revolutionary design, combining 2 lens filters by stacking them on top of each other. Your circular polarizer and your neutral density filters are now one. No more hassling with editing software to achieve that vibrant color pop or buttery smooth video. With 16 green coatings on top of Ultra HD Japanese glass, there simply is no better filter. New MachFlex carbon fiber propellers are the only carbon props in the world that are flexible for added safety, while still yielding higher top speeds and maintaining video camera smoothness. A portable USB battery bank has 3 times the capacity of a drone battery, giving you plenty of extra power for your smartphone, tablet, and specially included free mini drone. We also include a custom device cable certified by Apple and specially crafted prop guards that won't hinder your sensors and can be applied with a mere snap. The commercial-grade Drone World sunshade features a unique sleeve to adjust device settings. This sunshade allows you to simulate FPV-style piloting without losing the ability to quickly spot your drone. U3-rated high-speed Transcend memory cards protect your hard work. They are the top memory cards optimized for the secure and rapid transfer of 4K media with twice the cycle life of factory memory cards. Each Maxx Mod Kit comes with a Drone World Rapid Deploy backpack. Every detail of this award-winning pack is designed to get you up in the air faster. No parts ever touch the ground, and you can hand launch your drone in seconds. The entire remote control system is fully mounted, plugged in, and needs only the press of a button to begin flying. Also available is the Nanook 940 wheeled carrying case, featuring an IP67 waterproof rating and patented Power Claw latch system. Our case's Synergy foam has a durable stain-resistant topper and is hydro-sculpted for quick access to your Mavic Pro and its accessories. Rounding out the kit is a stunning carbon fiber drone wrap, pre-installed using 3M quality materials that provide a unique textured feel. It's the only wrap available that covers the entire drone. The Maxx Mod Kit is hand-assembled, test-flown, and certified by IPC technicians. All of Drone World's kits give you the tools you need to chart your own horizons.
So I found this product online when I was researching the Mavic Pro and possible modifications that you can do to it. Now, it has a lot of really cool features. Some of them I would say are not as necessary as others, but I'm going to break it out and see what I could do on Amazon to try and mimic this as close as possible without buying the kit. So first off, we have the carbon fiber blades I found for a little under $20. Now that is a pretty good price, and they look to be the same shape as the platinum blades, which should be a little bit quieter as well as giving the added strength. So that's a little under $20 there. And then number two, we have the carbon fiber wrap. Now I found this carbon fiber wrap. You can get it in other colors also, but I just wanted to go one for one, so I picked the black, and that's $17, $18 for the carbon fiber wrap. So next, we're going to go with the lens filters. Now I couldn't find a one for one exact, but these were pretty close, and they were $47.99. Now they can go as high as $80 for some other ones. I just thought that these were pretty comparable. Now I know what you're going to say, that this tablet holder is not aluminum, doesn't have the steel ball or whatever, and that other one was really, really cool. I'm just showing you a tablet holder just to make it similar. There's another one that is not exactly like it, the other one. It's an antenna booster for $63. This is a cheaper version of what the Maxx Mod is going to get you. And, you know, in all actuality, the Maxx Mod's probably better, but for $63, it's a lot cheaper. We've got the SD card, and I went with 128 gigabytes. I felt like that was a better size for me. And next we have the backpack coming up, and that is going for $114. So this is the backpack I like. I think I like this design a little more, preferably just because of the way the batteries are laid out and that you can attach GoPros. Now if you wanted to purchase a Fly More combo, this is a pretty good combo. You can either get it for $1249 or $1,300, $1,359. Either one's going to get you a lot of stuff, and mostly what's in the other combo, except for the antenna boosters and the cool shroud and all that stuff. But so far, we're getting pretty close to that magic price. Now I threw in an accessory pack, even though it was a little bit over the top. I just wanted to show that, you know, I'm not trying to cheap out going with separate parts. It does have the extenders to make the Mavic taller and all that good stuff too, and the prop guards. So all in all, and for $22, not horrible in price either. Now I threw a micro drone in here just to make it one for one. I don't think anybody would actually want this, and it would be a throwaway with the other kit also, but wanted to make it as close as possible to a one for one against the kit from Drone World. Now if you absolutely have to have the Maxx Mod antennas, they do sell them separately along with a lot of the other parts in the kit. So if you wanted to piecemeal this kit together, you can actually do that from Maxx Mod. So my grand total was $2201.99. Now keep in mind, I have an extra antenna booster on here. I have a couple of accessory packs on here. So it's not an exact one for one. I tried to make it as close as possible. If you take some of the stuff off that I chose, you could probably get it for almost the exact same price. Now, in saying that, that means that it's a pretty good deal what they're providing. Although some of the choices I might not have made, the mini drone I wouldn't have gotten, but the charger's really cool, the blades are really cool, the wrap is really cool. You can also get this in the platinum format, and it's just like $100 more. So I don't know why anybody would buy the regular when you can get the platinum for just a little bit more. Now, it doesn't look like it has the wrap, but you can get your own wrap, as you can see, for 20 bucks. But all in all, it's a pretty screaming deal. If you guys don't have a Mavic Pro already, this might be a great opportunity for you guys to pick one up that's already all tricked out and a really, really cool kit. Or you can go on Amazon and pick up all the parts that I just showed you and make your own kit. Anyway, hopefully you found this video helpful and informational. If you did, please click like. And if you really, really liked it, please subscribe. And if you do subscribe, click that bell. It lets you know when I got a new video. I'm gonna get the tech out of here. Later.